What is a VPN and why use one?
A VPN, or Virtual Private Network, creates a secure, encrypted connection between your device and the internet. It hides your real location and helps protect your data from hackers and snoopers. Many people use VPNs for privacy, but they're also popular for streaming content from other regions that might not be available in your own country.
Choosing the right VPN for streaming.
Not all VPNs work well for streaming. Look for services known to bypass geo-restrictions and avoid noticeable slowdowns. Prioritize VPNs with a reputation for reliability, strong security features, and plenty of server locations in the regions you want to access. Make sure your provider does not keep logs of your activity for added privacy.
How to set up and connect your VPN.
Getting started is simple. Subscribe to a VPN that fits your needs and download its app to your device. Once installed, open the app and log in. Select a server in the country where your desired content is available. Connect, and then navigate to your streaming service as usual to access new shows and movies.
Staying legal while using a VPN for streaming.
Using a VPN is legal in most countries, but there are important rules to follow. Always review the terms of service of your streaming platform, as some prohibit VPN use to bypass regional restrictions. Avoid downloading or sharing copyrighted material illegally. Access only content legally available in the region to which you connect.
Best practices for safe and responsible streaming.
To stream safely, keep your VPN software up to date and use strong, unique passwords for all accounts. Choose streaming platforms that respect copyright laws and are authorized to show the content. If you encounter issues or restrictions, follow the guidelines of both your VPN and the streaming service to avoid violating any agreements.